It's a little bit wet. It is South Vietnam. It does rain here quite heavily at times. It just finished raining quite heavily. At least I hope it's finished. A lot of standing water, which ain't too cool. Back to Bui Vien, District 1. My favorite place, probably in the whole world, except for maybe Home Sweet Home. Home Sweet Home, which I both love and hate. It's a love-hate relationship with Home Sweet Home. It does get cold where I live, and I don't like the cold. Rain is way better than freezing rain. It ain't nothing if it rains, man. Freezing rain sucks. I'd rather be on a motorbike in the rain than in a car in freezing rain. This ain't too bad. I really love Vietnam. My kids were wound up tonight. My students were really wound up. Boys, my first class was little kids, 4 and 5 years old, and 4, 5, and 6. There was no teacher in there with me. No teacher's assistant, no other adult, which is a bad idea. If they do that to you, then sometimes the kids get out of hand. Because they only have a limited ability in English, but they can speak Vietnamese, you know. You get them speaking Vietnamese, they got a lot to say. But I can't tell them to sit down. They know how to sit down, but of course they're not listening to me. They don't really have any fear of the foreign teachers at all, of course. The foreign teachers don't discipline them. So my kids, they might get a little abusive. Sometimes the boys get a little bit pushy. They might punch you someplace you don't want to be punched. But the girls are almost always super sweet. They like to hug you, hold you. Even the boys do. They like to hug the teacher. They love high fives. You give a lot of high fives here. Especially in a public school, man. You might have to give 1,000 high fives to get out of there. It's no problem. All in a day's work.